What do you do when you want to write down notes or look up information on your computer or phone? Or when you want to text your friends to let them know where you are? All of these tasks necessitate the use of a keyboard. Typing is a basic ability that allows you to encode letters and use them for a multitude of purposes, such as communication, research, journaling, and more. I'm confident you can type, but later in this video, I'll show you how to improve your typing skills and utilize them to generate money online. Yes, typing a few words on the internet can pay you up to $80 per hour. You might be wondering, what's the catch? And how much do I have to spend to sign up? With a money-making strategy as great as this one, the answer is straightforward. You won't have to spend $1 on payments or any type because this method is completely free. So what do you have to lose? If you want to participate in this technique, make sure you watch it all the way through to the end, so you don't miss a single details about how to generate money and consider this a success. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's return to the video now. And before we go to the main website, let me give you an example of how much money you can make with this brand new money-making approach. A single page with 300 words in total might make you $20 right immediately. Furthermore, all you have to do is input a few easy words, which are really simple names, any names, random names that you'll encrypt, and fill one page with 300 names, and you'll have $20 in your pocket. Now, if you obtain a total of 2 pages, you'll receive $40. And if you get 3, you'll earn another $20, for a total of $1. What I enjoy about this strategy in general is that it allows you to reach for the stars because there are no limits to what you can accomplish or how many projects you can pursue. Let's imagine you've been assigned the responsibility of encoding names for 5 pages. When you multiply 20 by 5, you receive a whopping $100. As I already stated, 5 pages is a minor annoyance. I'm confident you can come up with 300 names for 5 pages in an hour. Remember that if your page rate is $20, you can make $100 in 60 minutes, which is perhaps the easiest $100 you've ever made. Isn't this strategy certainly attractive in terms of earning potential? So, without further ado, let's go to TalentDesire.com, the official website for this video. As soon as you open their website, they will tell you that you can begin your dream career right away because you will be able to work with well-known brands and companies from all over the world and, of course, make money online without ever leaving the comfort of your own home or investing a single dime. Now, as we scroll down the main page, let's take a look around. Here, you'll find a variety of job categories that are open to anyone who wants to make money online, including you and me. Online proofreading, freelancing blogging, language translation, online paid surveys, affiliate marketing, medical transcription, online typing, and online teaching are just a few of the options. But for the purpose of this video, let's simply concentrate on one thing, making money online by typing. You might be asking why solely using online typing is necessary. To get right to the point, typing online will not require you to expend maximum effort. After all, how tough can it be to correctly enter some names? And will also offer you with easy money because you may earn money online in as little as 60 minutes. So without further ado, click on the online typing jobs area to be brought to this page where you can discover more about what you'll be doing and what the job comprises. You'll find on this page that they're looking for a typist to execute typing and word processing duties for clients all around the world. Although there are no minimum entry criteria, you may find out more about them as you scroll down. According to what they say right here, this amount is the top salary supplied by the company, which varies from $15,000 to $30,000 per year and can even go higher for annual income as your talent and experience increase, which is honestly really comforting. I understand how it feels to be a newbie, and it might be frightening to pursue jobs at first. But the good news is that I'll be right here with you, so you won't have to worry. You'll be okay as long as you do precisely what I show you. Based on what I've stated, making money with talent and desire is surely achievable, but I want to share a little secret with you that will greatly improve your earnings. I recommend that you go to ratatype.com to improve your typing skills. You can learn to type faster and take free typing classes on this website. You may also take an online typing test to measure your typing speed and show off your personal typing certificate to your friends or employers. With the Ratatype typing teacher, you may accelerate your learning and build crucial keyboarding abilities. Because I want to help you, I want you to have all the tools and high-quality skills you need to fulfill your job at TalentDesire.com successfully. You can obtain a certificate from Ratatype that you can use to support your application, making you a stronger candidate to work with TalentDesire. So how are you going to go about doing it? Just stay tuned as we begin the test by clicking on this button right here that says Start Typing right now. After doing so, you should now begin typing the words on your screen as quickly and accurately as possible, keeping in mind that you should be able to get a very satisfactory score of 98 in order to get accepted at a much faster rate when they see that you're a very proficient typist. Don't worry if you don't get a 98 on your first try. You have unlimited freedom to retake the test as many times as you want until you do. Don't give up. Simply keep practicing until you reach a score of 98. You can now view and download your certificate after receiving the required results by creating a free account. Fill in your complete name, email address, and password. Then check the boxes to agree to the terms of service and privacy policies. Make sure you finish this stage because your certificate will surely affect the way you do business. Simply follow the procedure above, save your certificate in any format you choose, and then submit it to TalentDesire, which I'll show you in a minute. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Returning to the video, you now have a greater grasp of what TalentDesire.com is all about, and you've also read a type certificate that confirms your proficiency as a certified proficient typist in the English language. Let's get started on our application to work as a typist at TalentDesire.com. Now that we have those essential resources, simply go back to the online typing jobs page and click on this red button that reads Apply Now, and you'll be taken to this page where you can learn how to set up a career as an online typist with TalentDesire. As they state right here, if you want to be part of a fast-growing, diverse, and brilliant global team, start with number 1 and follow the steps below. All you have to do for step 1 is pick an application form and fill it out completely. So simply click this link to be transported to another website where you may choose which path to take. I want you to choose this video for this video because you won't have to leave the warmth and comfort of your own home. So simply sit back and relax while we move on with the application process. After you've completed reading, click this button that says Fill in your data to apply and work with us, to be taken to the online application form, which will take you 15 to 20 minutes to complete on this page. You can now begin filling out the form by checking this box to indicate that you agree to the website's privacy policy. After that, simply fill up these forms with your basic and personal information, which are self-explanatory. Then, in the selected job title part, tell them about your professional details, and finally, choose the finest time for you to land your services by typing online job titles. Just a hint, choosing throughout the day will considerably boost your chances of being accepted. After there, go to PayPal or whichever method you wish to get your earnings and choose your current profession status. You can almost see the finish line at this point, since you'll check the box that says, Yes, I have read and accepted the preceding statement. Then fix your signature by putting your entire name in the space. Complete the CAPTCHA, and you're ready to start generating money on this website. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.